it's Alex. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another Halloween makeup. I am so proud of this makeup. It looks so realistic. This is going to be a Sockmonkey Halloween tutorial. I literally made these like a couple hours ago. They're literally made out of cardboard and acrylic paint. But yeah, this is what the makeup looks like. If you guys want to see me accomplish this makeup look, keep on watching. And also before we have it, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that big thumbs up. And yeah, let's hop right into the makeup. Hey guys, let's get started. So first I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild black eyeliner and I'm just going to outline everything for the makeup. So I'm just outlining where the stripes are going to be and also the mouth and also down my neck with the stripes. I'm also outlining my eyes because the eyes are going to be button eyes, so I'm just making a big old circle around my eyes. Now we're going to move on to the face paint. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild little palette and I'm just going to take the dark purple and fill it in. So for this, the pattern is going to be blue purple, so every other one is going to be purple. So the brand is Wet n Wild. You can get this at Walmart, I think, but it's about like $6 from Walmart. It's actually really good. It's better than the Walmart ones. They're $1. And for the smaller places that I can get with the big brush, I'm just using a smaller brush to fill it in so everything is all filled in. Now that we filled in all the purple, now I'm going to move on to the blue. I'm just going to take the same palette and take the darker blue and fill in where the blue is supposed to go. Now I'm going to take my white face paint in the same brush that I used for the purple, but I cleaned it off so it's a clean brush, and I'm just going to fill in the mouth part. on to the eyes, I'm going to take my black face paint and also an angle brush and fill in the eyes. Also, the same brush and the same black face layer, I'm going to move to the mouth to make the little stitches line over the mouth. I'm going to take that white face paint to make the 4 little circles onto my eyes, because these are going to be button eyes. Move back to the wet and raw palette, and I'm going to start on with the stitches. So first I'm going to take the light purple and I'm going to start doing like little diagonal lines, and then we're going to go back over it with the white so they look like stitches and it makes it a little bit more realistic. Really, for the stitches, it literally took me like 30 minutes to do all of it, but pretty much at the end of you doing the stitches, it's going to look like an X. You have the lighter color coming from one side and then the brighter side, which is the white, coming from the other side, so they look a little bit more realistic. For the blue, I'm just going to take the lighter blue and do the same thing that I did for the purple. So now for the ears, I'm just going to take some liquid latex and put it onto the places that I want the ear. Like I said, I made these a couple hours ago. They're literally made out of cardboard and acrylic. I'm just going to put the liquid latex, let it dry, and then apply the ears. So if you guys like this Halloween makeup that I created, I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.